You're not alone tonight. When the night feels longer than the day, and the weight of the world won't go away. If your smile is fading, if your heart's unsure, I'll be standing right outside your door.
You don't have to be strong every time. You don't have to cross every line. If the road gets dark and hard to bear, just say my name, I'll be right there.
Every tear you hide, every silent prayer, every broken dream you're scared to share, I hear you calling. I already care. I'll be there when you fall apart. I'll be there with an open heart. When you're weak, I'll be strong. I'll keep holding on through the night, through despair. Just call my name. I'll be there. I'll be there. Anytime, anywhere. Ooh, just call my name. When the laughter fades and the room feels cold,
When your hands are shaking, losing hold, if the world turns its back on you, I'll be the one that sees you through.
if you ever doubt what love can do, let my arms remind you of the truth.
No conditions, no repair, I'll be right here, I swear.
When the noise gets loud and hope feels thin,